Hi everyone, my name is Ned Bellavance and welcome to my course Operating Azure Stack. I am a Microsoft Azure MVP and founder of Ned in the Cloud LLC. Azure Stack is an on-premises extension of Microsoft Azure that enables consistent application development and deployment of hybrid cloud solutions. In this course, you will learn about the operation of an Azure Stack system running in your data center. We will be focusing on several topics within the course, including connecting to Azure Stack for administration, monitoring Azure Stack health and capacity, and offering services to tenants. By the end of this course, you will be ready to start operating your Azure Stack system, execute common tasks, and manage tenants. Before beginning this course, you should have an understanding of what Azure Stack is, experience using PowerShell, and a firm understanding of cloud concepts, especially in respect to Microsoft Azure. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about Azure Stack and your role in maintaining it with the course Operating Azure Stack at Pluralsight.